Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to the channel. Alright, this is going to be a quick parallel park tutorial. Alright, so just to show you real quick, I've got a car to my right and I'm trying to park behind it, so you can see here that the P pops up. So all you got to do is press the P, shift to reverse, so tap the brake and shift, and hit start. Alright, so let's see this auto parallel park with no hands and no pedals. It's gonna do a quick swipe, and it's using artificial intelligence as well as the camera system to make sure it doesn't hit the wall. Oof, it got really close there though. But you know, if you have trouble parallel parking, this system is only improving better and better. So it's really amazing to see like what it's capable of. And yeah, it will auto park for you. It does a great job at reverse parking too, so pretty cool. You get this feature with enhanced autopilot and full self-driving, obviously. And you could see that took just about the amount of same time it would have taken me to auto park. So really great job there. As you can see here, it's like perfectly aligned between the two cars, and it still says auto park in progress for some reason, but it's done. Let's go ahead and park it, and yeah. So we are good to go. I just wanted to show you all the capabilities. It can improve on that a little bit. Notice at the end it did glitch, but at the end of the day it did park me perfectly in between two cars. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you liked the video. Hit that like button if you do, and subscribe for more FSDBETA challenges and Tesla content. I'll be uploading all in 4K. So have a great day.